Alright, this is our last video for one-dimensional motion, and we're going to finish it with the easiest part. We're going to graph an acceleration, create an acceleration graph from a velocity graph. So how do we do that? You take the slope. You just take the slope. You make little boxes, like a city landscape. Each little box represents the slope for that part of the velocity graph. So what is that going to look like? So if we use the same velocity graph from last time, we're going to concentrate on this first part right here, up to 10 seconds. This one we don't even need a pre-made graph. We can just say this is 1 second here. Here's my number line. Alright, so I go up 60 and over 10. So 60 divided by 10 equals 6 meters. They have terrible units, so meters per minute, minute. So meters per minute squared. So I go over here, plus 6. So that means that during 1 second, this is what our graph is going to look like in terms of an acceleration graph. Now, it changes during my next interval, so we're just going to look at that half-second time period. Here, the slope is 0, so I have no acceleration, either positive or negative. Now, all of a sudden, I start to slow down as I'm going through this time period. We're just going to stop here at the 2 seconds. But once again, if I look at that, it's going to be negative 6 on the other side. So we go all the way down to the negative side there. And this continues all the way till 40 seconds. So this is 2 seconds, this is 3 seconds, and 4 seconds. So this negative 6 acceleration is going to continue all the way until 4 seconds. So we just draw a flat line that correlates to the negative 6 on the negative side of our number line all the way down to here. Now I start to speed up in the positive direction from the negative side. So I just have a positive slope. Just think of it as a positive slope. So over here I go over 40, up 40 and over 15 seconds, which is 2.66. So if this is 3, right about here would be 2.66. So that is what my acceleration graph is going to look like from the velocity graph provided. So you just have to see the points of 0 slope, how they correlate, and positive slope, and negative slope with a negative value. And other than that, easy peasy.